Hey guys, it's Hi, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup for school. This is kind of a school makeup routine and kind of a makeup tutorial for school. This is in no way a 5-minute makeup tutorial. It's like around 20 to 30 minutes, including my eyebrows. Without my eyebrows, this actually takes a pretty short amount of time, so there's that. I actually filmed one of these videos in the past, like a really long time ago. But in that video, the way I did my makeup is very different to the way I do it now. So I thought I'd update you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to find out how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. So as usual, I've already done my eyebrows. I always do my eyebrows the same exact way, whether it's to school or outside. So I'll try to do an eyebrow routine for you guys. But they take me a really long time. So I already got that over with. The first thing I usually do is prime my face. I use the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer. I just put this on like the perimeters of my face. If this seems a bit rushed, it's because I have to leave like in 5 minutes. But the second primer I use is the Maybelline Master Prime Pore Minimizing Primer. I use this on areas where my pores tend to be a little bigger. Most, if not all, of my makeup products that I use for school are drugstore because I don't like wasting expensive stuff on school. I'm sorry if I keep looking at the viewfinder. That is because I don't have a mirror in front of me. Have I uploaded a video with me in this setup? No. Welcome to my new setup. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, let me know and I'll try to do something about it. Next up, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I use a lot of Maybelline, which really sucks because they are not cruelty free. I use this concealer in the shade 10 and I just place it under my eyes in like this triangle shape type thing. And then I put some on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, on the sides of my nose because I tend to get pretty red there. And then I also put it on my forehead. And then I use like the leftover and do 2 lines on this area. I don't know why I do it, but I always do it. So to blend in my makeup, I always use a beauty blender, even if I have to wet it in the morning, because literally yes, I do have to be bothered and wet it and everything. But at the same time, it's just so much faster than using a brush. Usually I'll only do 1 layer of concealer. If 1 layer still shows my breakouts or whatever, then I just leave it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on my lids just to make them look nice and even. Next up, I use the RCMA No Color Powder. I just keep mine in this Sephora thing just because it's a lot easier to access, especially in the morning when you don't really have time. I just put the powder everywhere where I actually put concealer. I focus this powder on my under eyes first. Usually, I don't know why I did my chin first today, but so I don't bake. I just press it into my skin because I feel like it just makes my makeup last a lot longer when I press the powder in, and my makeup doesn't crease all day when I do that, so that's great. The RCMA No Color Powder has no color, so right now I look like a ghost. What I like to do to fix that up is I just use my Fit Me powder. This is not sponsored by Maybelline. Who am I to be sponsored by Maybelline? And I have mine in the shade 220. Usually I use 120, but I'm kind of tan right now. You can kind of see my tan line. So I just use a darker shade and I put this all over my face. I start off by the perimeters of my face because I always want my face to somewhat match my skin. I'm actually kind of losing my tan, so this powder is a little too dark for me, but then my lighter powder is too light for me. Now you might be thinking, wow, you put a lot of powder on for school. And some of you might think, oh, I can't do that, I have really dry skin. But basically, I have super dry skin. I say this in every single one of my videos, yet I still tend to put this much powder on, and to me it's not a lot. It's a normal amount just because I'm so used to putting this amount on, I guess. But these powders are really good if you have dry skin. Even the Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder, it's it doesn't dry your skin out or emphasize your skin's dryness or anything like that. I usually always prep my lips using some CeraVe, but I forgot to do that today, so I'm just gonna do that right now. Shout out to my brother who gave me this. It's great and I like it better than Vaseline. Next, I'm gonna be using the ultimate product for this entire makeup look, and it is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This product has been like my all-time favorite thing in the world. It is so good. It bronzes your face so nicely. It has a little bit of a sheen, but it's really natural, so you can still wear it out and like not look shiny or like have shiny bronzer on, if that makes sense. To apply this, I use like a big fluffy brush, but like the brush is kind of like skinny, if that makes sense. So that's what I use to bronze my skin, because I'm not really contouring. I just want to add some life into my cheeks. So I just put that where you would usually put your bronzer, and when I want to go into bronze my forehead, I just use a normal angled contour brush. If I feel like my bronzer isn't really blended out that well and I'm having a bad bronzer day, then I just take this Real Techniques buffing brush and I just blend. Next, I take this large shading brush, and what I do with this is I'll go back into the same bronzer and I'll kind of contour my nose. I don't really like try and make my nose look skinnier for school, but I kind of just like to add some sort of dimension, so that's what I'm gonna do. Next, I'm gonna take this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, and I just buff out the bronzer or the kind of contour I did on my nose. Now that I'm done with my nose, I'm gonna go back in with the same exact product, and I'm just gonna take some of the bronzer on like an angled fluffy crease brush, and I'm just gonna put this on like my crease, kind of like as a transition shade, but I'm not putting anything else on my eyes, so it's not really a transition shade, but kind of, if you know what I mean. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I've been kind of doing this new thing to school called putting blush on. I never used to wear blush to school, but I've been really liking the way it looks. The blush I've been using is the Wet n Wild Rosé Champagne. To apply this, I'm just using the e.l.f. Professional Bronzing Brush. I also sometimes use the blush Dandelion by Benefit. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it looks really nice in person. So there's that. Next, I'm going to be using this like new product that I'm still kind of testing out. It is the Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. So I'm just going to spray that on my skin. So
I feel like it's actually worked well for me in school. Like it makes the makeup kind of like blend more into my skin when it looks a bit blotchy. So
there's my sister's review for you guys.
Yeah, I actually think it's...
I don't know how I feel about it. For my lashes, I just curled them using my Sephora eyelash curler, and then I used the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express mascara. For my lips, I just used this Essence XXXL Shine Lip Gloss, and it's just the clear one. This usually comes off before first period, but I use it anyway because it's really cute and I like it. So that is how I do my makeup for school. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos every week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My user is @hayamurad with 2 Ds. It'll be somewhere on the screen, and I hope you guys have a great day and keep smiling. Bye!